Hi, my name is Sunder, and today I'm going to introduce to you the first ever invention of the column monitor mount. Enjoy! So this is the VESA blade that is sticking up. Put on the M4 screws mounting this VESA mount onto the monitor. The next step is putting on the column mount itself for this monitor. So this column mount comes with a ratchet strap and a column mounting adapter. The strap is really long. It's made for big pillars as well as small pillars. So it's best done with two people just to hold that column adapter and the monitor mount itself, and the other person working with the ratchet strap. This ratchet buckle comes with a pad to protect the pillar from scratches, because the ratchet buckle can holds on tight to the pillar, so to protect that this mount has the pad. Okay, so the slack, the extra strap, you can cut it off, or for now we're just going to tie it on the pillar. Now the next step is to put on the arms for the monitor mount. So this has a built-in gas spring system. So first of all, we will screw them in tight. We'll attach them. It comes in a box, so it comes in two pieces. We want to assemble them so that it's all attached. The screws and instructions are pretty clear and it's pretty straightforward. We just put in tighten the screws with a screwdriver, and then you have all the arms attached. At this moment now we are ready to mount the VESA mount that we had attached to the TV earlier. It's pretty simple. It just snaps in. You see, this is the VESA mount that we put on the TV. You can hear the noise when it snaps in. It just goes in and snaps in. You would hear the click sound when that goes in. So this mount has a lot of functionality, really a lot of tilt function, tilts up to -85 degrees, and then upwards 90 degrees. It extends 26 inches from the pillar, and then you can also rotate it 90 degrees. So basically, and you can also do a 360 around the pillar. The gas spring that I talked about, it can be adjusted depending on the weight. The max weight this can handle is 8 kg or about 18 pounds. For the cables, there's a cable management track. You can organize your cables neatly around the pillar. So you will see how it rotates and goes around. This mount can accommodate 15 to 32 inch monitors, 75 mm VESA, 100, 200, 200, all the way to up to 200 by 200. Then be extended up to 26 inches to provide you a peace of mind to always have your monitor at an optimal height. Helps you relieve strain on your neck and back. The extension can be removed for customized angle and position adjustability. Okay, and this is a close-up shot to show you more features of the mount. One more thing to note is the VESA plate is detachable with a quick release feature for convenient installation. This monitor column mount can be installed on all column sizes. It provides more stability than a desk monitor mount, and when not in use, you can fold back the arm against the pillar to to save additional space.